another day in Hong Kong. Alright, Hank, come on out. Oh, he doesn't want to come out. Here, Hank, get on my hand.
Come on, Hank. Come on, little Hank.
Get out!
He is climbing in his house. There is no climbing in the house.
Get him out. Get him out.
No, he has very strong legs.
Alright, just get him out.
Come on, get out.
Alright.
Okay, Honk there.
Honk, the toad, is very bored today.
So he decides to go to the park.
No, here comes the fairy princess. Let's go to the park. Away, my mystical friend.
Get off me.
My leg.
No, we'll use the magic table.
To the playground. He lands at the park. No, Kellen, let's do a shot of the park. Put him right here. All right, everybody get out of the way.
Welcome
Honk.
to the park.
Honk has arrived at the park, where the park ranger's sitting up there taking a dump. Honk wants to do the swings first.
Okay, so he uses his super hop.
That's a mighty hop you got there. And then he swings. Honk.
I can tell he's having the time of his life.
Help me!
Okay, now he wants to go in the sandbox.
Yeah, he wants you to go in a sandcastle.
Hop, hop.
Oh! He's in his sandbox.
You're hopping around.
Get him in the sun so I can get a good shot. Yeah,
As you can see, he's in the sun.
that's a game changer right there. Okay, I'm gonna sit right.
Let's see if he can mystically walk around the pole. Can he do it?
No, he can't.
Yes,
Oh,
he can.
All right, Hank. Let's see your
Now,
sand.
can he walk? Can he go over?
Oh, he's coming this way.
Hump
The hump.
of doom.
The hump of doom. He's like,
Can he do it?
yeah.
Yes, he can.
All right, Honk. Let's see you build a sandcastle. So Honk grabbed his tools, like his shovel, and he grabbed on tight, and he built himself a sandcastle. Girls, you make a Well, girls, build a sandcastle while me and Kellen do a montage of a sandcastle. I actually think we don't need you guys to make one because Kellen's is better. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Sorry about this.
Fortress of Honktude.
Sorry about the blurriness. And
He loves it.
it's very much out of my control.
Okay, now let's see if he can wisely escape the sandbox.
I don't think he can. Put him on top of his castle.
While balls of sand are being thrown at his castle.
No, he loves it on his castle roof.
Darn it, I'm making a shadow. I'm doing the thing I didn't want you guys to do.
And now,
He jumps because he wants to do the slide. So he hops. He jumps. So he
Does his super hop?
so he hops up the ladder. And,
he hops up the ladder.
oh, he's actually climbing. I thought we would have to forcefully make him go up. Oh,
He is actually climbing. He's doing it.
he's a good actor. He's actually.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, I'll catch him.
Does his super no, we'll put him in this bowl.
Yeah, we'll catch him in this bowl. Avery, get out of the shot. I got him. Avery, move. You're making a huge shadow.
Okay,
No, if I don't catch him.
let's see.
Hank,
What Hank will do.
come on, Honk. Come on down.
Turn around. What will Honk do? Mallory, move.
Look at him up there. So evil.
Da.
Just come on, push him down. Do it. Avery's got him.
I do. Oh, come on.
Yeah, you do. You better.
Use that thing.
Oh, the shovel.
Shovel.
Right, Cowan.
And his magic table.
We're ready to see him come down. Just go up. Yay. Honk is happy. Come on.
Honk is having a relaxing time.
He's having a very relaxed. And then that stupid 5-year-old comes and pushes him down.
Oh yeah!
We got
And
him!
since Honk is very hungry, he goes to have breakfast. I mean, no, lunch. He comes to have lunch.
Here's the table.
Let's
Eat. That's his food.
Get the chair.
This is his
Get some
food.
yeah.
Let him eat.
No, put him on the guys. Get the. Oh wait, never mind. Right, Hank has got her on the table.
It seems Honk is too big for his chair. Oh, is that food?
Honk is very hungry.
I want to eat the table.
And then Honk remembers he's a toad, and all the children come and pet him. Oh, look, a toad. No.
I hate my life. I survived.
And then Honk wants to go home because
Okay, use the flying table.
he's had a very relaxing day at the
He looks to admire the fun day he has had.
And then how sad he is that he has to go.
I am so happy.
I fucking hate those kids.
And then his table falls over.
Oh, my leg. And then Honk goes in his house.
No, and then the fairy princess
This is
comes.
getting too long. And then
Hello, good night.
And then Honk.
And then Honk really ignores the princess and just goes into his house.
Bye-bye.
And that's enough.